Hello folks, it's me again, just walking around my messy garage with a seriously bright light next to me. What am I doing? I'm basically, if you look down here, if you can see it, I don't have my hand in the way. I am taking the Mule, taking pictures of it, because I'd like to see it gone. I don't use it. It's a good toy. It's fun, it's rare, it's exciting. And it's just not used anymore. There's a steering wheel. There's the seat. So, why did I buy a Mule? Well, mostly because everybody needs a bucket list of shit to do, right? So, there's my messy garage. Probably should blank that out. Let me do this over. Probably should do it this way. So yeah, why did I buy a Mule? I wanted one for years. You add it to your bucket list and you're like, did that, get rid of it, try something else. It's like when people try a sport they always want to try, and either you're a failure or you succeed. But to me, it's like anything else. I mean, you try a green pair of socks or you try a piece of machinery. No different, except these things are a little more expensive than socks. So yeah, if you look down here, there's the Mule. Basically, it's just a big giant. The problem with Mules is it's basically a 4x8 deck, and you end up using them as a storage bin because everything just piles on top very easily. And if you keep the seat area clean, you could literally start it up and drive off with all the shit. So anyway, I'm trying to sell it. It's had 2 offers. Hopefully somebody will take it, and then I got to load it on a truck and bring it back to its new home. And then I want to buy another 3-wheeler. So I totally agree with everybody in the Honda groups. You could have all the gadgets in the world and all the bikes, and all you want to do is drive a 3-wheeler because they're just so damn fun. So next on my bucket list is an 86. It's not really a bucket. I've already owned this 86 3-wheeler and sold to my cousin. He traded it for something really interesting years ago, and I've wanted one. Got an 85, and everybody tells me the 86 is a little better. I want the same year I had, and I want the same bike because I don't know where it is. Don't even remember which one. But I want the same old bike, so I don't care if it's a fixer-upper or a jobber. And I'm fixing the 85s, get them running, and I'll see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I'll have more videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that stuff.